To make a low poly lamp in Blender, we're going to start with the default general scene. I'm going to go into the scene collection and delete everything. Now I'm going to add a mesh cylinder, and to make it low poly, I'm going to turn down the vertices. So 25 is still kind of highish poly, especially if you shade smooth, but we're not going to do that. Let's just go with 12. Yeah, I think that's good. So now we have this cylinder, and we're going to go into edit mode. I'm going to add a cut, a loop cut, and click and drag to bring it down a little bit. Actually, I'm going to bring it down less. 0.3, factor of 0.3. Okay, and now I'm going to select the bottom face and scale it. You can click and drag down so that you change all of the values at once. Hit S 0.5. 0.6. Yeah, 0.6. So this is the base of the lamp. I'm actually going to extrude and scale it so that it comes out a little bit. 1.075, and then extrude at 0.1. Okay, so I inset that. Now I'm going to bring it up that far, so 0.4 up, and then scale it to be 0.75. Yeah, that looks better. So it kind of looks like it's a continuation. And then I had to inset again, 0.15. Bring it up just a tiny bit, 0.05. Okay, so I'm actually going to separate this. Select that all, and then right click and go to separate selection. And then name this I'm going to select all of these edges, so hold down Alt and click, and that'll select all of them that are in a loop, and then hit F to create a face. And then this one, I'm not going to do the same because it's not really required. Okay, now from here, this goes up a little bit, 0.05, and then it gets inset a tiny bit, 0.025. Okay. Oh wait. Extrude and scale. Bring that out. Extrude 0.05. I'm gonna inset this, and it's quite small, so 0.125. And it's a different color too. So I'm gonna separate it. Okay. So this is the, I don't even know what you call it. Now I'm gonna come back to this. But now I'm gonna make the lamp shade. I'm gonna bring in a new cylinder, keep it the same size. Yeah, I think that's good. So I'm gonna duplicate that, Shift D to duplicate, S to scale, Shift Z so that it's not scaling on the Z axis. And then 0.875, and then make this 2 actually so that it goes all the way through. Looks good. So then go to modifiers, add modifier, Boolean, difference, go to the eyedropper and click on that, apply, and then you can delete this cylinder and there's a hole. I'm going to create the inside of the lamp, which is attached at the bottom. I just went and checked. So it kind of goes down and add a loop cut here and bring it up and 0.75. Top, base. I'm gonna hide those for now. Okay, I'm going to do this on all 4 sides, that way the math just is easier to do. .75, extrude 0.75, extrude 0.75. Okay. Now I'm going to go through and click on the end faces of all of these. Oops, wrong one. And bring it down a bit. I'm not going to make it all the way at the bottom. Maybe I will. No? Okay. Just like that. Okay, so this, I'm going to name this shade. And I'm going to inset this a little bit. And then I'm going to bring it up just a tiny bit more. Just 0.1. And then I'm going to add an icosphere. And I'm going to keep it 1, no, too small. And I'm going to make sure that the origin is right there so that it's really small. You scale it down. Okay, bring it down just a little bit. You can add like a bevel modifier if you want. Yeah, make it small so it's just a little bit rounder. Actually, I kind of like that. I'm going to do that to all of them. Oops, wrong one. 0.01. 14. And then do the same here. Light. You don't have to add these if you want it really sharp. This just kind of rounds. Oh. I think I'll just... Okay, it was just too much, I guess. Okay, and there is the finished product. There you have it.